Hello friends, welcome. So little change in the setup. So for the summer I am just trying to shift, and this also tomorrow again going to change because here some issues are there. Fine friends, lot of announcement to made, and Delhi at 7:30 we are coming online, and for a technical discussion, and all our tutorials and whatever we are uploaded are planning to upload also next 2-3 days, those also we discuss it. And friends, this last means today around 3 are already uploaded, and the fourth one is scheduled for tomorrow. So tomorrow that is a podcast only. You will listen to the discussions only about the basics of Python, and what tutorials we have added today is also interesting. One is on the next on the Python basics. So that's earlier we have studied variable part 1, part 2. So you must have gone through all those details, part 1, part 2, using the Colab platform. Now after that, next step you have gone to use format or the placeholders. So that is being used to give the prepare a string. Say you want to send 1,000 newsletters or some string where personalized details has to be given. So you can say welcome Mr. X, and your plan number this is expiring on particular date. So and these dates will vary for each subscriber. So that's why those data will be picked up from different sources and will be fit into the string. So that is called the placeholders, where you will putting the data. So that is where you will be using the format. In detail about the format we have discussed it in that tutorial is already uploaded. In addition to these two AI, artificial intelligence, how to use it, the tool, our AI tools, there are 2 tutorials are uploaded, and both are one of my favorite, of course, is NotebookLM. So in that there is a mind map. Just watch that. You can give a topic, and in fact we have discussed about Python programming. The mind map talks about that. And the another tutorial, what is the on the same NotebookLM, is the discovery. Say if you have used NotebookLM before, you have to give your sources based on which the AI tool will generate a podcast, give you a summary, timeline, FAQ, many things it gives. But now they have another one more option is there. Instead of giving your own source, you can ask Google or NotebookLM. Behind that, any Gemini, Google's AI tool is used. It will find out the sources. So Google is a search engine, so it knows which source are better. So instead of me telling to use the source, unless I have a specific requirement, leave it to Google to decide what source. I will just give the topic, say Python programming. Let it find out all the best sources from this particular one and add it to its sources and continue to do that. That's the advantage we will be getting by using this. So these 2 things we have added today, that is 2 tools on AI and one on the format. Tomorrow it is already scheduled. It is the basics of Python, but that's a podcast. I will put it in a proper playlist. So it's a podcast on basics of Python. I am also parallelly that also is going. So when you are free, you need not watch the screen. Say you are walking or driving anything, you can listen to that podcast. So that will also tell you a lot of ideas or advantages on that. Anyway, earlier we have lot of around 40-50 podcasts we have already published. This is, but those are on the Kinter areas and all, MySQL, SQLite database and all. This is on the Python basics. If this works, then for the entire Python basics, we will create some few more podcasts. These are in addition to our regular tutorial videos what we are publishing for your learning purposes. That's all, friends. So I am little busy. Quickly I have given you all the developments or all the tutorials details, whatever is being uploaded or going to be uploaded. And please, every day 7:30 we are coming online and discussing with you all. So please, if you have any doubt, idea, suggestions, anything, you can use post in the chat box here, or subsequently also you can give it below the tutorials. Give your feedbacks. And 7:30 Indian Standard Time in the afternoon we are coming regularly. And hope you will you are enjoying our tutorials, and I my request is please share these tutorials with your friends also and ask them to join for the technical discussion. Hope you will join me tomorrow also, Indian Standard Time, evening 7:30 p.m. So you can come and discuss with us about all those technical topics and all. That's all, friends. I don't have much to share with you. It's just 5 minutes. I have to little arrangements to make. So that's all. So thank you for joining and hope you will join me tomorrow also. Thank you. Thank you, friends.